Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are on another adventure. Today I've got my parents with me too. Say hi.
Hello.
And Matt's with us obviously. And we are going to London. So tomorrow we are going to the Harry Potter Warner Brothers studio tour. That's right, isn't it? Yeah. Warner Bros studio tour, I think it's called. That's what we're doing tomorrow. And we also have afternoon tea. It's like a Virgin Experience day thing that we have. So it comes with afternoon tea and stuff like that. And then on Sunday, so today's Friday, tomorrow will be Saturday, and then on Sunday we are going to Chessington World of Adventures. So we're all really excited. None of us have done Harry Potter in London before, and my parents haven't done Chessington before, and we really love Chessington. It's like an animal theme park. It's really cool. And it's supposed to be really nice weather too. So yeah, let's go to London. Good morning everyone. So today is Saturday, it is the morning. We are just about to go down to breakfast, and today we are going to the making of the Harry Potter studios, the Warner Bros studios, the studio tour in London, and we have to be there for 9 a.m. So now we're going to go down to breakfast. Good morning. So we are up and ready. We've had breakfast. Now we are heading to the Harry Potter Warner Bros studio tour in London. We're going to spend most of the day there today. We've never been, none of us have ever been, so we have no idea what to expect and we're not sure what it's like. And then this afternoon we are going to a hotel. It's like a manor hotel for afternoon tea. So that's the plan today. Let's go. So we had a lovely time in Harry Potter, and now we've turned up at the Chessington Manor Hotel for some afternoon tea. So let's go. Okay, so we've had a really lovely day in the Warner Bros. Studio tour, the making of Harry Potter. It was really good. I think we spent about 3 hours there, and then we had about an hour for lunch. So I think in total we spent about 4 hours there. So if you are planning on going to the studio tour, I would recommend about 3 to 4 hours to spend there, and that was ample time for us all. Then we went for afternoon tea in the Chessington Manor Hotel, which was really nice. A lovely staff, lovely food. It was really nice. Mum thought it was one of the best afternoon teas she's ever had. So we've had a really nice day. The weather's been stunning as well. Now we are heading to our hotel for the night. We are staying in a hotel near Chessington, and then tomorrow we're spending the whole day in Chessington World of Adventures, and then we're travelling home tomorrow night. So yeah, we'll see you in the morning. Good night. Good morning everyone. So like I said yesterday in the vlog, we had an amazing day in the Harry Potter Studio Tour London yesterday. Now it is Sunday and we are on our way to Chessington World of Adventures. It is looking like it's going to be a hot day today. It's already quite warm now and it's only 9 AM. The park opens at 10, but we like to be there early. So we're on our way there now. The plan is to go straight to Jumanji, the World of Jumanji area, do Mandrill Mayhem, Cobra Strike, and then potentially go around to Vampire, and I do want to do the Zoofari ride as well, and then we'll spend the rest of the day looking at the animals. So that's the plan. So let's go to Chessington. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So we're in and we're going straight to the World of Jumanji to do Mandrill Mayhem. Let's go! Yay! Okay, so we've done Mandrill Mayhem and Mamba Strike. Now we're just going to go and see some animals. So now we are on our way home. We've had an amazing weekend. We managed to squeeze a lot into Chessington today. We did 4 rides. We did Mandrill Mayhem, Mamba Strike, Vampire and Tomb Blaster, which was like a shooting one. We've never done that one before because it was being refurbished. The previous times we've been, it was posted 20 minutes wait. We ended up waiting 70 minutes, so it was just ridiculous, the queue times. But we saw lots of animals as well, and the weather stayed nice and dry for us as well. So overall, we've had a really nice weekend.